Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. My name is Tom Eckers. Very excited to show you a brand new 2026 Grady-White 281 Coastal Explorer. This is one of my favorite boats. You're going to see why in just a moment. The very back of the boat, a twin Yamaha 300 horsepower V6 engines. Nice swim area back there with that transom filled in. Grady-White does a really good job with that. But on the 281 Coastal Explorer, if you don't want to be swimming by the engines, you can drop down this platform, have a nice spot to hang out over the water. Really like that feature. The seating on the back is beautiful. I've got a live well here, prep station rod holders. This one has the sunshade, so even if the rod holder's up here, I can still use the sunshade if I want to. The helm station of the 281 Coastal Explorer, very comfortable. I can sit down if I wanted to, armrests. Got room for dual displays here if I want dual displays. Joystick control here, cruise control here, Yamaha binnacles in a good spot, and I love just easy toggle switches. Moving just a little bit further forward, the head on the 281 Coastal Explorer gives you lots of room, very comfortable to get in and out of it. Really nice for a low boat like this. In the bow, plenty of room on this boat. I got a nice lounger. These backrests pop up automatically with power. Windlass anchor off the front. This really is just a perfect boat whether you're going fishing or you're going to go to the sandbar, hang out with family and friends. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boats that we have in inventory, by all means reach out. We are always open at MarineMax.com.